Google Keep is a free and simple to use reminder app. It allows you to take notes, create checklists, draw pictures, or attach images as reminders for general organization. You can create a note with an image by clicking on the image icon at the top of the page. This image can come from your computer, or students can even use their phones to take pictures and upload it directly from their device. This includes class notes, homework assignments, or anything shared by their teacher in class in a non-digital way. A picture can be added to a pre-existing note or checklist as well. You just need to click on the note and click on the image icon to upload a picture from your computer or device. A drawing note gives you and your students a lot of freedom, especially if they're using a touch screen of some kind. When you click the drawing icon, a whole new menu and drawing space will open up for you. Background of the drawing can provide the space a little more structure by providing lines, dots, blank space, or grid lines. You can change the color and diameter of the highlighter before highlighting with your mouse or stylus. You have the same options of color and diameter for the marker and pen tools. These drawing options give you the ability to write or draw anything. The eraser tool gives you the option to delete individually written segments or clear the whole page by clicking the drop-down menu. While still in the drawing space, you can also choose to create a new drawing, export the drawing as an image, or delete the current drawing. When you're all done, click the arrow in the upper left-hand corner to return. A great application of this drawing feature for students is writing out an example problem or question to look up or answer later. From Google Keep, students can add collaborators to help them answer the question or work through the problem. This collaborator has access to the note and can even add to the drawing. This allows students and teachers to collaborate in the same drawing space and work together on the same problem. Google Keep drawings are still just Google Keep notes, so they have a space for a title and more detailed text. You also have access to all of those same menu options, making it completely customizable. Once you complete and create your image or drawing note, it'll organize itself into your other Google Keep notes unless you pin it and it'll pop to the top.